Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to fix low call volume issue on iPhone. If you are having trouble hearing the person on the other call and during phone calls on your iPhone, you are not alone. Many users have complained about the inconvenient problem. I'll show you how to fix low call volume issue on your iPhone. So the first thing, check mute switch. It is possible that you will experience a sudden loss of sound during a phone conversation. However, this may not always be a problem because the other party may have accidentally activated the mute function. You can easily solve this problem by politely requesting that the other party unmute themselves so that you can continue the conversation uninterrupted. And the second step is turn off iPhone noise cancellation. The noise cancellation features on your iPhone is a useful tool. However, it can sometimes be the source of your grievance because it reduces the volume of your iPhone. To resolve this issue, simply follow the instruction that I am going to tell. So, launch the setting app on your iPhone, then scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Scroll down and then tap on audio and visual and turn off phone noise cancellation and you are done. And the next step is turn airplane mode on or off. Low call volume on the iPhone is not always caused by hardware or software issues. Network issues may also play a role. To address this, try quickly restarting the network by switching airplane mode on and off on your iPhone. Just go to your settings and turn airplane mode on and then turn it off. And the next step is check Bluetooth connections. A connection with a Bluetooth headset or stereo system is a common cause of a sudden decrease in iPhone volume. To resolve this issue, turn off Bluetooth and check whether the iPhone's low call volume has improved or not. Just go to your settings and turn off Bluetooth and you are done. And the next step is restart iPhone. Restarting your iPhone may help resolve software glitches and conflicts causing the low volume issue. As a result, you can try rebooting your device to see if the low call volume on your iPhone issue persists. And the next step is update iPhone. Updating your iPhone can always help in removing the existing issues on your device, as the new updates may have come up with a software update that must be a patch of your issues. So, to update your iPhone, go to settings and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Download and install if an update is available. I hope this solution will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.